We'll guide you through how to export files from Google Drive. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to drive.google.com. Make sure you're signed in to your Google account. Once you're on the main Google Drive page, locate the file or folder you want to export. You can use the search bar at the top if you have a lot of files and need to find it quickly. When you've found the file, right-click on it to open a context menu. If you prefer, you can also select the file and then click on the three vertical dots at the top right corner. In the menu that appears, click on Download. Google Drive will then prepare the file for download. If it's a document, sheet, or slide, Google will automatically convert it into a compatible format, like Microsoft Word, Excel, or PowerPoint, so you can open it easily on your computer. Once the file is ready, your browser will prompt you to save the file to your preferred location on your device. Choose the location where you want to save the file and click Save. If you're exporting a folder, Google Drive will compress it into a zip file, which you can then download and extract on your computer. Remember, exporting files from Google Drive is a great way to have offline access and keep backups. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.